Hello everyone, welcome you all on our online lecture series on fluid mechanics and machinery subject. In last lecture, we have discussed one numerical on venturi meter, that is the basic numerical in which we have determined the value of x and value of h. Now this is our next numerical on venturi meter. A venturi meter has an area ratio 9:1, the larger diameter being 300 mm. During the flow, the recorded pressure head in the large section is 6.5 meter and that of the throat is 4.25 meter. If the meter coefficient is 0.99, that is CD, compute the discharge through the meter, that is venturi meter. Okay, here we have to calculate discharge through venturi meter, and to calculate this discharge we have some given data in this equation. The given data is first value, a ratio of venturi meter diameter. This is our venturi meter, this is convergent section, this is through section, and this is divergent section, and the fluid is flowing from this point towards this point. Now the YouTube manometer is connected at point here, so we will take the diameter at point here and at point of throat section, and the area with respect to both the point is 9:1 ratio. Okay, after that the larger diameter is 300 mm. Now A1 divided by A2 is equal to 9 divided by 1. This is our expression for area, and we have the value of larger diameter, that is D1 is equal to 300 mm, and when we convert it into meter it will becomes 0.3 meter. Okay, and by using this diameter we can able to determine the value of A1. Okay, and the A1 is equal to pi by 4 D1 square. It is equal to 70.69 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter square. This is the value of A1. Now we will put this value in this equation, and the equation becomes, look, 70.69 divided by A2 is equal to 9:1. Just cross multiply and we will get another equation as A2 into 9 is equal to 70 into 69 into 10 to the power minus 3 multiply by 1, and it will 70.69 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter square. The 9 is multiplied to the A1. When it will come here, it will get divided to this quantity divided by 9. Okay, and we will get value of A1. So the value of A2, value of A2 is equal to 70.69 multiply by 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 9. A2 is equal to 7.854 multiply by 10 raised to minus 3 meter square. Up to here we have determined two area of venturi meter. One is a larger area and then the area of throat also. A2 is area of throat. Now the pressure head here we have some difference in pressure. They have write the recorded pressure head at larger section is 6.5 meter and at the throat section is 4.25 meter. Okay, if we draw a Venturi meter here and YouTube manometer also, we can able to identify what is the value of that larger section and lower section, or we can call it as a throat section. Look, this is our YouTube manometer which is connected to larger diameter and throat diameter. Okay, what they have told us that the pressure head at larger section is 6.5 meter. Okay, that means the height from here is 6.5 meter and here the height is lower, which is 4.5 meter. This is 6.5 meter. Okay, now what we will do, we will calculate the difference of pressure head is equal to H. H is equal to 6.5 minus 4.25. ओके, ये वैल्यू क्या हो गई? जो मैनोमीटर है उस मैनोमीटर में मर्क्यूरी की जो हाइट राइज हुई है वो हाइट मैक्सिमम माइनस मिनिमम, इसमें से दोनों में से हम माइनस करेंगे दोनों की प्रेशर हेड, तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? H की वैल्यू यहाँ पे हम कैलकुलेट कर सकेंगे. H इज इक्वल टू 2.25 मीटर. दिस इज आवर वैल्यू फॉर डिफरेंस ऑफ प्रेशर हेड. दोनों यूट्यूब मैनोमीटर की जो लिम है, जो कॉलम है, उनमें से कितना प्रेशर डिफरेंस से वो हमने यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट कर लिया. ओके, ये कैलकुलेट होने के बाद में हम फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे डिस्चार्ज का. एंड द फॉर्मूला फॉर डिस्चार्ज इज Q इज इक्वल टू CD इंटू A1 into A2, that is larger diameter and lower diameters area, lower sections area, multiply by root of 2GH divided by root of A1 square minus A2 square. Now the value of CD is equal to 0.99. A1 and A2 we have calculated here. This is the value of A2 and this is the value of A1. After that, the value of H is equal to 0.H's value is 2.25 meter and the value of G is equal to 9.81 here. Now when we put the all value in this equation, we will get the value of Q actual, which is nothing but which is equal to 52 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube per second, and we know that 1 meter cube per second is equal to 1000. So we can write here Q actual is equal to 52 liter per second. This is our value of discharge.